How's it going? We're back. Well, it's been a long weekend. If no one knows, my mom had a stroke in 2015. So instead of hiring a nurse, I take care of her 24/7 because I would work for like 17 to 20 bucks an hour to pay a nurse 20 bucks an hour. And when she was in a nursing home, she came out with abscesses. And anyway, I digress. So she was feeling sick this weekend, so family is first, priorities first. Sunday night, like 10 o'clock at night, I got her to sleep. She's feeling a little bit better. I was jonesing to come down and do some work. What I did here is I kind of made this as even as I possibly could. I brought in an 1/8 inch in from each side, and that's where my jimping is going to be in the middle of. There's an 1/8 in the middle and an 1/8 on each end, so the jimps are going to go right between these. Hopefully, and if it don't look good, we'll just bring it down and make it a circle. Hopefully it'll look good. Alright, let's get over to the mill. Plus I want to clean this up too. And do some jimping on the back. To the mill. Got my vise back on here, I just got to tram it in. So I'm going to touch it off very lightly. Right there. 0, 0, 0. Back it off. Bring it down to this other end. Alright, and let's see where we're at. Man, there's a lot of slop. Oh, the screw came off. I was wondering why there was so much slop in this thing. Alright, the bolt came off of this. I was sitting there like, man, there's like an inch of play in that thing. Yeah, look at all that. Wow. Let me go get the ratchet. So I invested 30 bucks in a cheap ratchet. Well, impact driver. I need to buy some of those deep weld guys. So it looks like we are 0.03 off. Think of what, break that in the middle? There we go. 0.0008. Zero that out. .0008. Alright. I'm calling that 0 and locking her down. So that means we're 0.0004 off. That's good enough for me. I could cut that back into 2 though. Let's just keep it there. We're only doing jimping it, by the way, so. Alright. Now let's put this back up. So we can see what we are doing. What we want here. Guess we'll go into the end here. By the way, these aren't tutorials. These are me learning machining. Don't for a second think these are how-to videos with the machining. I do not know how to machine. I am learning. I am a noob. I'm just showing my process of thinking and what I'm trying to figure out. I got these up on parallels. 1, 2, 3 blocks up on parallels. So let me tap them down, tighten it all in. Get it all locked down. I got a 3/16 bit in here. And basically I want to break the middle of this. Show how far I'm coming in. So I'll probably come in half of it. So let me zero my X out. And that's how far in we want to come. And it's pretty even both sides, I hope. Alright, let's do this. zero that. Alright. Now let's bring her out. It looks like we're at about 108, 104. So now we go into the next one. Zero at the edge. Remember starting at 6 something. So hopefully that's close enough. Zero, and there's where we're going to. Should have wrote it down. That's why you always write stuff down. I forgot. I got so involved in setting everything up. Alright. Okay, I'm going to take it down to 100 and see what it looks like. Yeah, looks like we got a little bit more to go in. Alright. There's our zero. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, that looks about right. There's the back. All looks pretty even. Not too bad for my first. This is the first time I've done back jimpings. I like to do a lot of firsts on my builds when I do a first build. You notice that? Glad that held in because I didn't even put that second clamp on. Wow, that came out surprisingly good. Nice. Alright. Jimping time it is. Make sure we got enough under here that we're not going to hit our blocks. Oh yeah. Let me go get a pen. I've showed this before, but here's how I like to kind of mark it. You know, it'll be from like here. See my thumb's coming down? And then we'll drop one like right here. So that'll be our jimping, like right in here. Wherever it falls. Now here I'm going to write it down. Because that's one thing with jimping. Got my pad right here. That's one thing with jimping. Size isn't as important as consistency. Consistency is the key. So whether they are in and apart doesn't matter as long as they're consistently that far in and that far apart all the way down, if that makes sense. Like you can have an 1/8 inch in and 3/16 between, but you want them all an 1/8 inch in and 3/16 in between. Here's our zero start point. 0, 0, 0. Sure how that. I'm going to lock down my Z-axis because sometimes when you hit the metal it wants to pull the Z-axis down. So we'll start right here, touch off, and then let's see. We want to go in on this one. We'll take that one in 109 too. So here's our 0. Touched off 0. Start. Alright. Alright, we're at 526. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe just a little bit deeper. .777. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that's good. So, .778 is what our number is. Or .0778. Boy, that would have been a big mistake. Man, it's got, okay, this light is blinking. I plugged it in, but I switched the lights around. This was the one that was going off. This one's blinking. It's got to be that power cord. This power cord is the one that's made both lights go off or blink. I had a battery hooked up and now it stopped blinking. So it's the power cord that's bad. Process of elimination. I took the two lights and I switched them around. This was the one that went off. The common factor is this DC power cord. It's got to be the power cord that's bad. Little bit of electronics troubleshooting there for you. Let's see what we want to do in the middle. We zeroed on X. 077. Since we didn't go down 3/16, I'm not going to go over 3/16. But we want to go from center to center, so that leaves whatever in the middle. So I think I'll go 0.25. Let's see what that leaves us in the middle. There's 0.25. No, that's way too small. So maybe we do want to go 3. Let's see what 3.7 looks like. 3.74. I'll tell you, I'm going to break it even and go 3. So 3 will be our magic number. Yeah, 3 will be our magic number. Let me see. 0 is out. 0, Y. We go in 5. Oh, and then we go in 7. Yeah, that should look fine. Alright, let's do this. 0.30. I'm going to go 3-1. Just for good luck. Write that down. Seven, 6. Oh. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, that'll look just fine. 0, 0. Unlock your slide set. I always lock the side to side once we're going in. Negative 3.1. Lock her down. Touch off. 0. Here we go. There we go. Alright, so that's how I'm just going to do the rest of them. Looks like I got about, let's see, probably like 1, maybe 2 left. Wherever it breaks in here. See our consistency? So now I'm just going to finish these up and I'll meet you back over at the table. Alright. Ta-da! Yeah. I'm almost getting used to swinging it too. But I can't, I don't know. The only thing I can do is back and forth. When I put my pinky down, it's like back, forth, so can't really get a good swing like that. Guess I better learn before it's sharpened, huh? But I'm getting it like this. I can do butterfly knives and all that. Nunchucks. I used to even have like 2 pairs of nunchucks to sit there. But I've never messed with the Karambit. Should be fun. Man, the jimping feels good too, right there. It kind of stops your thumb from going up. But if your thumb wants to go up, it falls right into that. Yeah. And that, oh! Alright, I'm getting a little carried away. First time I've been down the shop all weekend, so that came out. I did that all basically. This part I did all by eyeball. Of course, then this you can see I brought it in 1/8 and then 1/8 from the middle, and then split the difference. And I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't know. I was like, do I want to hollow grind this or do I want to flat grind it? I think I'm going to hollow it. I've never done something this long and drastic. Should be fun. I'm going to get the center line and all that worked out and go from there. Once again, I was up editing and I have to make it into 2 videos because if I put the grinding on, this would be about a 40-minute video. Wait till you, here's a little sneak preview. Wait till you see the hell I went through getting these bevels. Man, it was a fight. I crossed the line here and almost ruined it, and oh man, but it was so fun learning this. Now I got a whole new experience of doing recurves. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll upload it, I won't upload it tomorrow, but I'll upload it the next day. Then we're back to the disc grinder for a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please like, please comment, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the little bell for notifications, and as always, take it easy. Just wait, man, you are gonna like this. Oh yeah, I got me a haircut and everything. Yeehaw! Take it easy.